Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to hide text in Google Docs. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. In order to hide some text, you will have to add an extension. So click on Extensions, then Add-ons, and click on Get Add-ons. Now this will open up this window, click on this Search Apps, and type Secret Docs. Click on Docs Secrets and press this blue button Install. Press Continue. Now this will open up this window. Select the account that you are using and press Continue again. Now press Allow, and this will basically install this add-on to your Google Workspace. Press Done and then press Close right here. Now your add-on is installed. You can find it here in Extensions and then Doc Secrets and Open. Now it will open up this window right next to your document with Doc Secrets, and you have to enter your passphrase. So enter your password, press Start. And now this is your new password to unlock the text that you have hidden. So in order to hide a text, just select the text, press Command X, then click here and press Command V to insert this text. Then press Insert. And now as you can see, the text is successfully hidden. It is really simple. If you want to reveal it, right here, you can see it. You can close this, and let's say another user wants to reveal this text. He will go to Extension, Doc Secrets, Open. And now, if he wants to access this, he will have to know the passphrase. So if he knows the passphrase, he can enter and edit or reveal if he wants, as you can see. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.